Bolt versus Lovable. Which branding tool is right for you? Hey everyone, in today's quick video, we are going to compare Bolt and Lovable. Both are branding tool designed to help businesses create logos, websites, and marketing materials. But they cater to slightly different audience and use cases. Now let's break down these features and see how they stack up. Bold focus on simplistic and very speed. Here's what it offers: AI powered logos. I will just write here, make a dashing cool logo using word cool, right? And let's see how fast it is. Okay, it's asking me to sign up here. Now I will just go and click on sign up. It will just take a few seconds. Okay, I'm trying to log in with the GitHub because they are only showing me I can only use GitHub to here login. But somehow I'm facing some of the issues. This is really irritating. Okay. Okay, so somehow I got logged in into Bolt here. Now let's create a logo. Now let's see how Bolt created. On the other hand, till the Bull create a logo, let's go and talk about the Lovable here. Now, by the way, Bolt is also used while creating, website builder, marketing assets, an affordable plan, which is around $9 a month, making it budget friendly. As you can see here, it is writing a code, right? So I'm not trying to leave it here. And okay, so I got a new problem. I don't know what's the issue here. But anyway, let's go back, and this is here Lovable, right? So Lovable takes a more personalized approach. Here's what it sets apart: offers tools to define your brand story, voice, and values, work with team members or clients to refine branding, more flexibility for creating unique high-end design, $49 a month, targeting businesses willingly to invest in premium branding. And this is what it says, and it's perfect for businesses that want a deeper focus on a strategy and creativity. So how do they compare? Bolt is simpler and faster, as they say, but I don't know, I'm facing some kind of issue here, right? On the next hand, if you just go and talk about these, Lovable, it offers more creative control. Bolt is more template driven. Bolt is budget friendly of $9 per month, and Lovable is around $49 per month. It's yeah, the price is pretty much high for the Lovable. Bolt suits small businesses and solopreneur, but Lovable is better for team or those prioritizing brand strategy. Now, if you're looking for a quick, affordable branding, go with Bolt. But if you want a strategy-focused premium experience, Lovable is the way to go. Now, ultimately, the choice depends upon your goals and budget. Both tools have free trial. You can try them. And let us know in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video.